In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unreconcile transactions and fix beginning balances in QuickBooks Online. We'll start with unreconciling a single transaction. This is helpful if you accidentally reconciled something that shouldn't have been, or you need to make a correction after spotting an error in your bank reconciliation. First, in QuickBooks Online, go to the Accounting menu, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, like your checking, savings, and credit card accounts. Find the specific account where the transaction you want to fix is recorded. Once you see it in the list, go over to the right and select View Register. The register is basically your running list of all transactions in that account. Scroll through the register to locate the transaction you need to unreconcile. You can also use filters or the search box if you have a lot of activity and it's hard to find. When you've found it, look in the checkmark or status column. You should see an R if the transaction is reconciled. Click directly on that R. Keep clicking until it's either completely blank or shows a C, depending on whether you want it to be unreconciled or just cleared but not reconciled. Blank means it's not cleared or reconciled. C means cleared but not fully reconciled yet. When you're happy with the status, select Save. QuickBooks will update the reconciliation status for that transaction. Next, let's fix the beginning balance. This is important because if your beginning balance is off, every reconciliation after that can be thrown out of alignment. Again, go to Accounting, then Chart of Accounts, and select View Register for the account you're working on. Once you're in the register, look for the opening balance entry. It usually has opening balance written in the memo column, and it's one of the very first transactions in that register. Click on that opening balance entry to expand the details, then click Edit. Here, you can adjust the amount so that it matches the opening balance on your bank statement for the date you started using QuickBooks for that account. Take a moment to double-check that date and amount against your actual bank records. Once everything matches, select Save. By unreconciling individual transactions and correcting your opening balance, you help ensure that your QuickBooks reconciliations stay accurate and your reports reflect your true financial position.